Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile on Peacock TV. To change your profile on Peacock TV, first of all, open up a web browser and then type in peacocktv.com in the URL box. Now, this will take you to the official webpage for Peacock TV, from where you can simply go ahead and sign into your existing account. After logging into your account, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile avatar. To switch between different profiles, you will then need to end up in this Who's Watching page. If you have multiple profiles and you'd like to switch between them, simply go ahead and select a different profile that you are currently opened up with, and that way you should be able to switch between another profile as well. So that is how you easily switch between profiles on Peacock TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.